Hello everyone and welcome to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video I'll be covering one of the most important aspects of Google Search Console, and one of my subscribers, Sachin Rajindra, has requested for it, and it is about how to find the keywords that are ranking for your website. Okay, and yes, you can pretty much find the keywords that are ranking for your website in Google search engine. Let me show you how you can go to that option inside Google Search Console. Okay, so here is the Google Webmasters. Let's click on sign in. I'm signed in. This is my website, topitguy.com. okay, and I want to know which all are the keywords that are ranking for this website. For that, what I need to do is click on performance. Okay, and scroll down. These are the queries for which my website is ranking in Google search engine, as you can see, and this data is for last 3 months. You can always go ahead and change the data. Let's change it to 7 days and hit apply. Scroll down, and these are the keywords that are ranking in search engine. If I click on Amazon Bounty Program, it shows me the average position, which is 7.1, and average CTR, click-through rate. I have 33 impressions for this keyword and there are 3 clicks. Let's go back, and the search type is web over here. You can change this as well, and you can see if your website's images are ranking or videos are also ranking. In my case, I focus on web, so let's select web only, and again you can change the time here. Let me do last 28 days, multiply. In last 28 days I've got 501 total clicks, and total impressions are 18,000. Average position is 35 for all my keywords in Google search. These are the keywords that are ranking. The one which is getting the most impressions is GoDaddy cash parking. If I click here, it will only show, it will rank the ones that are getting high impressions at the top. Amazon business account is getting 321 impressions. Let's see its average position. Click on it. It is ranking at 74th position at the moment in Google search. Okay, let's check that out if it is still ranking, because this data is on average basis. Amazon business account. Let's go to 8th page. It is not showing at the moment. Maybe the rank has improved, or maybe it has gone down. Let's find out, because that the average position was 74, and it fluctuates, and it depends upon the CTR and average time spent and the bounce rate. I'll cover all these aspects as well in my other videos. So you get the point, right? That is how you can check the average position of your keywords. You can always change date here. Let me see if this keyword was ranking in last 7 days and where was the position. Okay, so the average position was 73 and it was still in Google search engine. Okay, so that's how you check your keyword, your website's keywords that are coming in Google search results. Okay, you can always select dates over here. You can go custom as well. Let me see if I can find July results. 2019 July, 6th of July. Today is 8th of July, so it is only showing up to 6th of July. So let's apply. It is 2 days old result. Okay, so the average position had changed. That's why I was not able to find it on 8th page of Google. Okay, so that is how you check your keywords position in Google search engine results in Google Search Console. Okay, hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please go ahead and like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help me make more videos like this.